What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, King Hussle crazy reactions, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake social media accounts out there. Got a lot of people making fake King Hussle pages, scamming people. So please, get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for, alright? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. So, today I'm going to be dropping some sauce for y'all. Yeah, some sauce. I'm going to show y'all where to get a $50,000 grant. Not loan, grant. Free money. Yes, famous Amos is helping out the black community, well, people in general, but mainly the black community for small businesses, $50,000, all right? So, there's a lot of people out there who got new startup businesses. There's a lot of people out there who have businesses. There's a lot of people out there who are starting their entrepreneur life, and they need startup money. They need help funding their business to get merchandise, to get things for their company, to make it start helping make money. Point blank period. And you need, when it comes to becoming an entrepreneur and starting a business, you need money for a lot of different things. You need money for marketing. You need money for merchandise. You need money for employees. You need money for a lot of different things. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys where to get a $50,000 grant from famous Amos. There's a lot of people out there who hasn't heard about this. There's a lot of people out there who don't know about this. Well, today I'm going to be the one who tells you about it. All right. So today we're gonna be talking about the famous Amos grant for up to $50,000 for black small business owners and how you can get approved. So without further ado, let's check it out. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about the famous Amos grant. Alright, the famous Amos and NBCC presents the Endangerers for Success Inactivists. Famous Amos and the National Black Chamber of Commerce return with the ingredients for success. Entrepreneurs Inactive in the National Pitch Competitive Awarding three $50,000 grants to black small businesses owners. Along with capital, winners will receive resources and tools provided by the NBCC to drive sustainable growth and success. All right, so check qualifications. So we're going to check the qualifications. I'm over here trying to read messages and stuff. My fault, y'all. So check qualifications. So basically, capital deployed, $300,000. Members awarded 20. So check qualifications. Well, I guess this is the page. So community overview. Black Americans are fueling U.S. economic growth at an increasing rate, contributing over $1 trillion per year. $1 trillion per year in consumer spend. Additionally, the number of black-owned businesses in the U.S. has grown 30% compared to the pre-pandemic numbers. So how the program works. Ingredients for Success is a grant and mentorship program awarding a total of $150,000 to 3 entrepreneurs, $50,000 each. Famous Amos launched this innovative in honor of the brand's founder, Wally Amos, to create pathways for black businesses owners to thrive. So let's get it going. The judges behind the winners. 10 finalists will be chosen to move to the second round of judging, with the first round winners beginning announced in January. Judges include Mandy Bowman, Steve Canal, Robbie Marchals, and the past grant recipients Nancy Harris and Travis Green. These people are over here. So eligible qualifications. Businesses must be majority black owned at a minimum of 90% black owned. We are prioritizing businesses who've been in operation for 5 years or less, headquartered in the U.S., excluding Puerto Rico, the U.S. Virgin Islands, and other commonwealths, territories, and possessions. Mentorship resources. The famous Amos. Ingredients for success. Recipients will receive a complete suite of mentoring and coaching resources. Grant recipients will work personally with the executive leadership of both the NBCC and the American Dream Marketplace to ensure the mental well-being of yours as an entrepreneur and that you as a business. 75% of millennials deem mentoring critical to their success. Managerial productivity increased by 88% when mentoring was involved. Various only 24% within training alone. So they're giving out $50,000 to 3 winners. It's a grant, not a loan. Program details. It keeps taking us back here. So this is just the program details right here. It just tells you everything about everything. Enter your email right here if you want to get more information. Famous Amos. They're giving out $50,000 to small black business owners. 5 years less you being in business, and you got a chance of getting you $50,000 for your business to help it grow. All right, so check them out. Go apply. You never know. You might win. You might get some money. All right, so without further ado, let's talk about the famous Amos $50,000 black small business grant. So let's talk about it. Famous Amos is giving out $50,000 to small business owners, black owned, majority black owned, 90%, and 3 winners. And you can take that money and put it towards your business and start elevating and growing. Cause like I told you guys in all my other videos, business is the way to go. Having your own business, running your own business is the key to success. You're gonna make millions and millions of dollars off business, not personal. Personal loans and personal credit and personal credit cards are there to piggyback towards your business. You want to get your personal credit together well enough. You don't have to have an 850, just a fair to good credit so you can start leveraging towards your business credit and start getting the loans and credit cards and lines of credit that you need. Because like I said, you don't want to get a $50,000 personal loan. You want to get a $50,000 business loan, because with the business loan, if you got a decent enough personal credit, all you need is a signature, no doc, and you can get you $50,000 on the business loan, on the business side. You're not going to be able to do that on the personal side. They got certain loans like that, but you got to do your research and figure out what all the things that they're looking for so you know what they need so when you go apply. But on the business side, there's so many banks and so many lenders that's giving out $50,000 with no docs with business loans and grants and credit cards. So we need to start taking more advantage of those loans and grants and start applying it to our business so we can be successful. So I'm gonna be talking about more grants. I'm gonna be talking about more loans. I'm gonna be talking about more credit cards and lines of credit in general, ways to make money and how to be successful. More videos coming. So we need to all just start tapping in, staying in tune so we can understand that we're going to get rich off this credit. We're going to get rich off the other people's money, and that's the bank's money. We're going to have them lend us some money, use that money, invest it, flip that money 3 times, pay that loan back, make a profit, and do it all over again. That's how the rich get rich and the poor stay poor, because they don't get their credit together. They don't take out loans. They don't become entrepreneurs. If you're not an entrepreneur, if you don't run your own, I'm going to put it to you like this. If you're not running your own business, if you're not an entrepreneur, it's a great chance you won't become a millionaire, because you're not going to become a millionaire working for somebody else. If somebody controls how much you get paid, they're going to make sure you don't become a millionaire. Point blank period. Only people that's going to become millionaires is the people who work for themselves. Point blank period. So let's start all figuring out how we're going to work for ourselves, how we're going to all build a brand, build a company, build other people, have other people help us out so we can all get to the level that we need to be. All right, so we're going to start off with these grants and these loans, these credit cards and these lines of credit. We're going to elevate. We're going to take it from there. All right, so shout out to everybody that's been tuned in. Shout out to my new subscribers, my old subscribers, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all. Also, anybody out there looking to get credit lessons, you want to learn how to clean your credit, build your credit, add trade lines and authorized users to your credit profile to start building your personal credit to leverage it towards your business credit, it's going to be $600. But if you want me to do it for you, it's going to start at $1,500. All right, so make sure y'all tapping into my credit repair business, New Age Credit Repair. Also, anybody out there looking to get basic lessons is $500. One topic, FaceTime one-on-one, I'm going to get you together. Also, anybody out there want to learn how to make quick thousands of dollars fast off social media? FaceTime 101 is $250. So do not miss out on this deal. $250. I will teach you how to make thousands of dollars off social media. FaceTime 101. Make sure the 250 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance. And whenever y'all write me looking to book some type of lesson or something, please send me a screenshot of your balance with the payment on it so we can go from there. If you're not sending me your screenshot of your balances 9 times out of 10, I am not going to respond. All right, so let's cut out the talking. Let's get straight to business, because I'd rather talk more on helping you than talk more about what you not having no money and it's not getting nowhere. All right, so $250. I'm teaching people how to make thousands of dollars a day, all social media, 500 basic lessons, $1,200 for FaceTime 101 unlimited gems. That's gonna be CPN sauce, credit sauce, documents, how to make everything you need to know. Right? So unlimited gems, $1,200. Mentorships, $2,500. I'm taking people under my wing and I'm making money with them. It's gonna be all the unlimited gems plus the DW sauce. And we're going to make money together with this YouTube automation. I'm going to show you the YouTube automation game. We're going to make a channel together and we're going to grow it. When it start making 10, 5, whatever. So if it's making 10, we get 5, I get 5. If it's making 20, you get 10, I get 10. As long as you put in the same grind, effort, and help me grow this channel, we're going to have a good time. We're going to make a lot of money, point blank, period. All right, so I'm putting people in the position to win and start making some money. Also, book y'all seat right now in the crypto tour. In-person unlimited gems, $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state. So if I got to come out-of-state to you, it's going to be $4,500. If you come in-state to me, it's going to be $3,500. All right, $500 deposit. The rest of the money will be in person. So don't miss out on the crypto tour before prices go up. Also, I'm still looking for people for the production company. Still looking for actors, rappers, models, cameraman, all that stuff like that. So make sure y'all tapping in. Music reviews is $200. So if you rap or sing, tap in. You don't got $200 to invest in yourself. Why should I invest $200,000 plus into you and your career? Make it make sense. Any models out there, any beautiful ladies out there, any women out there that's ready to elevate, ready to grow their brand, their platform, ready to get their face out there, ready to start making money, ready to get into this entertainment business the right way and start doing it the right way, tap in. If you don't got an open mind, please don't tap in. If you got a bad attitude, please don't tap in. I need women that I can put in different positions. When I say different positions, I might have you doing a podcast. I might have you doing a blog. I might have you go interview people, asking them relationship questions. I might have you in a music video. I might even have you rapping. You never know. But long as you putting out content, long as you giving yourself an opportunity, that's all that matters. You do not got to be taking half-naked pictures out all day, every day, shaking your hiney all day, every day, and not getting paid for it. So we're going to switch it up a little bit. All right, so if you got a good attitude, you got a good head on your shoulders, tap in. You can't be corrected, you can't be directed. All right, so let's get this money. Teamwork make the dream work. Also, any videographers out there, good masking, good camera, 4K or better, good effects, good transitions, tap in with me. Content equals views, views equal money. Easy as that. So I'm looking to build a good team of people to work with so we can start making this money together. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in. Also, anybody out there looking to get that Cash App glitchy, make sure y'all tapping into my Telegram. I got a lot of good deals in my Telegram. I got a lot of good prices in my Telegram. You looking to enter broke and leave out rich, go tap in ASAP, because I promise you, you're going to do that. As long as you follow instructions, as long as you got a passion and understanding something new to learn how to make some money, you'll be A-OK. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in on that. And there's a lot of people who be tapping in with a lot of different things, who get mad at people because they buy something that they have no acknowledgement of what they're doing, and they think something is fake or you scamming them or something. Please, if you're one of those people, don't contact me, because I don't have time for that. I don't have people buying things that they don't know what they're doing and they get mad at you and think you scammed them because they're doing something wrong. That's like me seeing 100 people jump in the deep end, diving down, getting a bag with $10,000 in it, and so many people doing it, so many people getting the money, and I'm so thirsty to make some money, I'm going to say, you know what, I'm going to jump in the deep end and try to do it too. It look easy, they all doing it, and I never done it before, and then I end up drowning because I don't know what I'm doing, and no one's going to save me. That's with anything in life. So if y'all don't know what y'all doing, and y'all see everybody else doing something, and you just jumping into it, and you messing up, don't blame the person you bought it from. Blame yourself, because you're a grown adult. You're buying something you have never done before or you have no acknowledgement of, and you just don't know what you're doing. So please don't come to my Telegram with that, all right? You ready to start getting rich, you started ready to make some money, go tap in. Cash App glitchy. We got the card cracking method and a 1 free fully for $250 cash out of Bitcoin payment. Go tap into my Telegram to tap in with that. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in with me. Make sure y'all go run my followers up on my IG, King Hussle X1M and the real King Hussle X1M. Stop following and talking to these fake IGs. I even got people that's talking to fake IGs and a screenshot it and then send me the screenshot. Like, look at this. Like, what are y'all doing? Like, that's weird to me. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in, man. Make sure y'all go subscribe and hit the all notification bell. We're gonna run the views up, them likes and comments on the videos, and we finna keep this elevation going. We're gonna keep the show going. Y'all know how I get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.